You know, I started out with Arctic Cat as just a racer and worked my way up through the ranks racing from semi-pro into pro, and it's been great. I've been able to work with marketing, work with engineering for years with Arctic Cat. Last year was weird for me being the first year without Rob. My focus was kind of just trying to honor Rob and trying not to forget Rob. Every day it was something new. My emphasis now is avalanche safety and training and getting that for everybody. I feel like, you know, that's what I can do for the industry now is let everybody know we do need to be trained in avalanche safety, and you know, it's what's needed, you know, when we're out there recreating in the backcountry, because it can get real quick. So we'll just be riding, and that's what Rob would want us to do. He'd want us to be, you know, just moving on and having fun in the backcountry, and it sucks, but we just have to keep on.